The gift of sight is a blessing. They're still good. They're still good people. I feel that God has a plan for everybody. And this is it.
Hi, I'm Shamik Bafna.
And I'm Matt Willett.
We're both surgeons at Midwest Vision Partners.
We're just so excited today to be here. This is the Gift of Sight program where we're able to give free cataract surgery to individuals who otherwise don't have access to insurance and to these vision-saving surgeries we're about to do.
The best part about this program is that at this time, after we're done doing surgery, we're going to take patients that currently cannot see. We'll be able to, after we're done with surgery, we'll be able to see great. So let's go ahead and let's do it.
Let's do it. Nice.
Okay, perfect. We just completed cataract surgery on 2 patients that had really dense cataracts. They could not see anything at distance, but we've gone ahead and removed their cataracts and they are going to be able to see. I can tell you that in 1 or 2 days, they will have a brand new lease on life.
We're going to agree we're removing the left cataract. To be completely honest, in this country, a lot of times we have to leave and go do mission trips in other countries to have these opportunities. It's really expensive to do surgery in the United States, and obviously people here need it just as much as anywhere else in the world. So for somebody who needs to be able to see, to do activities of daily living, this is awesome. So I'm excited. Good, nice and still, just looking at those lights, please. Couldn't have gone more perfectly than that. That was beautiful. Cataract came out nicely. She should have a great recovery.
I got my left eye done a month ago. I can see crystal clear out of the eye. This is the best program ever. I'm very blessed to have got the opportunity to have this done.